Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to give you the first look at what is quite likely to be the most anticipated full-face helmet of all time. You can already see the bag. You've probably already seen this online. This is the Alpinestars Supertech R10 Launch Edition helmet. I was fortunate enough to grab one of these to add to my helmet collection. This is actually number 75 out of 200. Next week, once we get back from Pit Race Moto America, I'm going to break this thing down, features, benefits, fit, and benchmark it against some of the very best in the industry today.